Hello, hello, hello. Today we have a super important topic. Jerks in a leadership position. Honestly, I can understand how they can get there. Sometimes they have really great technical skills and they get promoted and then they work their way up the ranks. However, if they display bullying behavior, I don't understand how they can stay there without getting help to improve. This is detrimental on so many different levels. Their direct reports will become fearful, angry, frustrated, and disengaged. And if people run high on emotions every single day, they lose focus and productivity. And this really hurts the bottom line. A team is always the reflection of the leader. For example, if a general manager is a bully, chances are that the majority of people in this company will start displaying bullying behavior. Now, I want to share what I have seen. I have seen that many, if not most, of these people can improve. Often they had really bad role models, or they are simply not aware that they are a jerk or that they come across as a jerk. Give people the help to improve. Hire a coach for anger management, leadership, communication skills, whatever is needed. However, if the person doesn't want to improve, set the person free. He or she may be better off in a different company. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.